The crovans gave works, both of them have been rebuilt. They are now one. We have one, said Dart. Hello there, I'm Dart. Yesterday, me and Paxton did their little engine recaps. Today, and Monday, me and Paxton are going to react to stories of Sutter. Miniseries, stories of law. Calculation. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but now we have one. So now we're not one building anymore. Now we're not. Now we're not two buildings anymore. Good thing we had a temporary building, though. Which is now also part of the building process. Building. Thank you all for watching it. Bye.